unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another Dollar Tree haul. So it's October now, so I've got to transform this room to Halloween. So I picked up a few things just for that at Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing are these cute little styrofoam pumpkins. They are styrofoam and they're just painted. Now some of them do come with little nicks in them. You can just cover that with paint or nail polish. So I'm really not worried too much about that. I'm just going to show the good side. So I got 2 of these and these each were $1.25. Then I picked up one of these little hanging things. It's like Day of the Dead. This was $1.25. Isn't that adorable? I love it. I love Day of the Dead stuff. I think it's so cute. For $1.25, I picked up this black netting material. I'll probably just swag that over there and put some of these things on top of it for a really good effect. These come in white, gray, and black, and they are 30 by 72 inches, so that's pretty big. You could even use something like this on top of a nice big dining room table or something for decoration. Absolutely. The next thing are these cute little pumpkins with a cat on it. Very cute, $1.25. I mean, yeah, I shop at Dollar General quite a bit, but these types of things run $3 to $5 there. $1.25 at Dollar Tree. You can't go wrong. And it has a little hole on the top here so that you can hang it on a little nail or a tack or some sort. Now this is one of my favorite things. They had this spider web with either a pink spider, a white spider. I think that's it, just the 2 colors. But I liked the pink. I thought that really popped out on this. This is 15 by 16 inches. Really nice size, and it has a little glitter on it so that it really catches the light. So I've got that. The next thing is this really pretty Day of the Dead little wall hanging. $1.25. Isn't that cute? I love this. And it'll go really good with that other hangy thing I got. Now the last Halloween thing I got is another wall hanging, and it says Welcome Halloween. I thought that was really cute. I think this will really pop on that black netting I got. So I'm going to put that on there. $1.25. Great store. And then I got some flowers. Now this came bundled up like this. This is $5, so worth it. So all you really have to do is just kind of fluff these out a little bit. And then you can really see the flowers then. And you can spread them out a little. See? Isn't that cute? Very nice. Now, I did pick up a few things that I also needed. So I picked up some razors. These have 5 blades inside. It is a 3 count, and I got it for $1.25. Air freshener for small spaces. I do use these in my bathroom, and they smell really good. This one is in linen, but they have them in all kinds of, I think they also have a Hawaiian one available right now at the store, but these smell really good. You just pop the back, there's a little button in the back, and you push it, and it perforates this foil backing inside here, and then the freshener comes out the sides and back. You see, comes out the back. Then I picked up some facial wipes. I mean, there are days I do just cheat and go for a wipe instead of using makeup remover, but I usually use them in here because I like putting makeup on my hands and to swatch for you guys, so I need something like this to just wipe it off really quick. This is watermelon and sweet mint. And now there's a couple different kinds they have. Now they had some right next to it that was not scented like this. And they were $1.25 as well, but they were only a 25 count. This is a 30 count for the same price. So keep your eye out for stuff like that while you're at the Dollar Tree. I picked up this rubber matting. I have a fan on my bed, and I have it clipped to my headboard, but it likes to slip down. So I think that this, just putting it in between, you know, like around the wood and then clip it onto that, I think this will stop it from moving around. And plus, I can use this for other things like any other drawer or shelf, things like that. And that is all that I got for from the Dollar Tree. Now, I'm going to decorate my room. Let's see how it turns out. Ta-da! There it is. I've got everything hung up. There's the pumpkin and the Day of the Dead wall decor, my spider, and then everything else is over there. Little pumpkin down there. And there we go. I'm ready. Oh, can't forget about my ghost over there. I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.